load center into a Quam 1 main breaker load center. As always, refer to the safety procedures provided with the instructions and never work on energized equipment. To start, you will first remove the two KEPS nuts holding on the main lugs to the bus bars. With your main lugs removed, you will then take your QOM1 main breaker, install it into the panel, and using the KEP nuts you removed from step 1, you will tighten down the main breaker onto the studs. With your main breaker installed, you have now converted your main lug load center into a main breaker load center.